Start. Para. With the consent of the respective council and at their request, the petition is taken up for final hearing and disposal. Respondent number 2, Ichalkaranji Municipal Corporation, issued an invitation for bids on February 16, 2024 for the execution of work related to scientific dump site, land reclamation through biomining, resource recovery, and the scientific disposal of rejects at the municipal solid waste dumping ground, Ichalkaranji. 4 bidders, including the petitioner and respondent number 3, submitted their offers. The request for proposal (RFP) issued by respondent number 2 outline the general terms and conditions and the scope of work for the tender. The RFP stipulated that the tender process would follow a two-stage system. In the first stage, pursuant to condition number 5.1.3, proposals were scrutinized for responsiveness to the RFP requirements, with only responsive proposals proceeding to the second stage. The second stage, as per condition number 5.1.4, involve a technical evaluation based on the criteria set forth in the RFP document. It was specifically provided that the financial bids of only those bidders who met the technical qualification criteria would be opened. Para. The technical bids were opened on July 11, 2024. The tender committee scrutinized the documents submitted by all 4 bidders, including the petitioner's objection regarding the ineligibility of respondent number 3 due to an order of debarment issued by the municipal corporation. The committee opined that the project management consultant was responsible for verifying the certificate provided by the petitioner, which indicated the debarment of respondent number 3. Consequently, the committee decided to qualify the petitioner, respondent number 3, and another bidder, and recommended the opening of the financial bids submitted by them. The decision of the tender committee dated July 11, 2024, declaring respondent number 3 eligible to participate in the tender process is being challenged in the present writ petition. Para. In challenging the decision to declare respondent number 3 eligible, the learned advocate for the petitioner submitted that respondent number 3 failed to meet the pre-qualification criteria prescribed by condition number 2.3.4, which required the bidder to provide proof of RDF supply by producing a certificate from a cement factory, power plant, waste to energy plant, or urban local body (ULB), confirm and sign by the head of department (HOD) or executive engineer for the disposal of at least 20% of the RDF quantity, which according to the petitioner amounts to 69,873.84 metric tons. Para. According to the petitioner, the total RDF supply based on certificates from the cement factory, power plant, and waste to energy plant is 55,197.32 metric tons. The petitioner relied on clause 3.2.4 of the tender conditions, which stipulates that any entity barred or blacklisted by the central government or state government, a statutory authority, or a public sector undertakings from participating in any project where such bar or blacklisting is in effect on the date of proposal submission would be ineligible to submit a proposal either independently or through an associate. The petitioner contended that the certificate relied upon by respondent number 3 issued by a paper mill could not be considered for evaluating the eligibility of respondent number 3. The date of the proposal submission as per the petitioner was January 9, 2023. The communication dated July 21, 2023 issued by the Municipal Corporation indicated that respondent number 3 was debarred for a period of 2 years, a fact not contested by respondent number 3. Therefore, according to the petitioner, respondent number 3 was disqualified on the date of submission of the tender. Stop.